to JSR DevOps with Ratna. In this video, we are discussing about Sonar Nexus, how to configure with Docker, and how to utilize Docker volume, and also how to log in Sonar server by using Docker CLI command, and also how to use insecure register. I will show you in this session. In previous video, I explained about how to installation of Sonar Nexus. This is my Nexus server, and I will create the user. Go to the settings, and if you scroll down here, you will choose the option security and check users. Click on it, create local user, and give any name. It is optional. In my case, I provided Docker and first name Docker, last name Docker, and given the password, and I will give status active, and also here by default this Nexus server here only. Then you have to move this Nexus server from this side. You can select on it and just you can set apply. After that, you can create local user. So user successfully created. Then I will try to create the repository. Go to the repository and create repository. Docker host, click on it. In my case, I will select web application. If you scroll down, you can check by default path based routing. I will select others. Click on it. 8082. I given the port is this repository, and Docker allow anonymous Docker pool, Docker variant token real required, allow client to use V1 API to interact with this repository. So default I given it, allow redeploy, create repository. So this is my Docker repository. Now if you come here, if you scroll down, you can check realms, and you can check Docker barrier token and click on it. So no need to this one. You have to remove it. This one only. Now you can save, log out, and log in with Docker. So now I am logging with Docker user. Now I am trying to log in with Docker CLI. For that, I create daemon.json. Don't forget, this is the path /etc docker. In this path, I created this daemon.json, and you have to give this IP of Nexus and port, and this one is IP, and repository I created Docker registry. So that repository port ID here I map it. This is the repository I created 8082. So this 8082 I mentioned here only 8082. Now you can check Docker service restart. Service Docker restart. Once if you restart the Docker, automatically this container is stopped position only. So then again I start the Docker, this container, Nexus server container. Now try to log in by using Docker login, and give the registry, and give the username Docker, and give the password Docker. Here it will show the error. That means this port is not connection, that is refused. If you check the port, we do not enable. In previous video I explained how to installation of Sonar Nexus server. So I run these commands. Here only we are enable the port is 8081. We do not enable port 8082. So for that reason we are getting that issue. Now we can resolve this issue. I am trying to remove this container. Forcefully, and also remove this nexus. Now I will show you advantage of Docker value. Now I am trying to run this command again, and I will enable the port by using -p. Now I run this command. It is trying to pull the image from the central repository and as well as run the container. Now successfully pull the image and check by using Docker ps. Now this container is running and enable the port is 8082 also. Now you can check admin. The advantage of attached to the value, if you go and check the user, this is Docker I already created, but I deleted this container. Again I created new container, but my data is won't deleted. And if you go to check the repository, this is the repository what I created previously before delete the container. Now I am trying to log in registry. To ask username Docker, give the username, password Docker. This should show successfully login. And if you want to log out, by using Docker logout and give the URL. So this is the way to log in and log out in Nexus server. Thanks for watching. I will show you next video how to upload image into the Nexus repository. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please in comment section.